provide free services towards export sale. Now let me give you a brief idea about the chartered accountants of the state. There are about 2,500 chartered accountants, both in practice and in service, in different industries and corporate houses in our state. There are about 300 to 350 chartered accountant firms, mostly headquartered at Bhubaneswar, Cuttack, Berhampur, Sambalpur, and Rourkela. There are also few firms in Baleswar, Bhadra, Baripada, Kendrapada, Puri, and it is also very difficult because of the reduction in number of nationalized banks and the introduction of CBS and technology. And regarding this internal audit and other services rendered by our chartered accountants, it has been the scope of those audits have been reduced to a considerable extent because of unhealthy practices of introducing tender and quotation systems artificial intelligence. It has created a unique paradox, deep challenges, yet unprecedented opportunities. Let's acknowledge the challenges with clarity. AI, artificial intelligence is automated rule-based tasks, having bookkeeping, reconciliations, compliances, processes, and even elements of audit as necessary. This is transforming entry-level roles and redefining traditional practice structures. There are also critical concerns, data privacy, reliability of AI output, algorithm bias, regulatory uncertainty, and the risk of over-reliance of automated systems without adequate professional skepticism. In the Indian context, additional barriers such as cost of implementation, skill gaps, and integration of the legacy systems further complicate adoption. However, if we stop here, we meet a larger truth. Every disruption is the seeds of transformation. AI is not replacing chartered accountants, it is redefining them. We are witnessing a fundamental shift from post-factor reporting to real-time foresight, from data processing to insight generation, and from compliance execution to strategic advisory. One is reinforcing ethics, one is reimagining value. Encouragingly, the profession is already moving in this direction. Institutional initiatives, training programs, and technology-driven platforms are equipping chartered accountants to adopt, lead in this evolving landscape. As we gather here today, let's approach this transformation not with apprehension, but with awareness, adaptability, and ambition. Let's engage with these deliberations ahead, not merely as a discussion, but as a blueprint for the future of our profession. Today's conference will be insightful, forward-looking, and truly enriching. And one more announcement or declaration after this inaugural session. We have got a very learned younger George. We are very much proud to have him. We have picked a interactive session so that we can have he is so knowledgeable person, and we can put.
Thank you, sir. I now request CA Pramod Kumar Mishra ji, IA and AS former Accountant General of Odisha, to address this August gathering.
Association and friends. I have spent many years in this profession, in which I had a chance to interact with a large number of chartered accountants.
We look at a vertical which is commercial audit. Commercial audit occupies a very central place in the audit edifice that has been built in by the CAG of India. And let me place why it is so central to the edifice that in the auditing circles. Now, public sector undertakings today occupy commanding heights of the economy. I'll just put the context, which will give you the central position that these public operating central PSUs, the equity investment made by the government in such PSUs is to the order of 1.5 lakh crores. 73 of the 272 operating central PSUs are listed. The market capitalization of these 72 PSUs is almost about 50 lakh crores.